Excel, $51,216. Photography, $21,300. Financial analysis, $32,131. And piano, $19,544. What I just listed off to you are what some of the top selling courses in each of these topics on Udemy are generating per month in revenue. So just to reiterate, so you have a very clear understanding, the top selling Udemy courses on the topic of piano are generating $19,544 per month in revenue. Okay, this isn't per year, this isn't lifetime, this is per month. And if you're familiar with Udemy, Udemy is essentially a site where you can purchase courses that are fairly priced, right around probably $10 to $20 on average, right? So very inexpensive courses. And because of that, people don't think there's a huge opportunity. I'm telling you right now that Udemy may be the number one best kept secret about generating income online. And I'm going to go into a little bit more detail. If you don't know who I am, hi, my name's Summer Hobart. I usually don't start my videos like this. I usually go right into it, talking about what we're going to cover and all that. But I just really want to show you kind of some of the opportunity and the potential with selling courses on Udemy, which are really incredible. So in this video, for the remainder of this video, I should say, I will be showing you my own real Udemy revenue and profit, as well as my Skillshare revenue and profit, which I'll talk about in a second, as well as what some other instructors are making and how you can see what the top selling courses are making in any topic on Udemy for free today with this tool that almost nobody knows about, which is really incredible, which is actually what I'm showing you right here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this now. All right, so something that you can do today for free to see the real Udemy revenue for any topic is to, number one, you need to sign up for a Udemy account if you haven't already. Just go to Google, type in sign up for Udemy account, and it's pretty straightforward, very, very easy process. Once you have a Udemy account, what you'll need to do is to become an instructor or to sign up as an instructor. So if you just kind of go over here, hover over your profile, which I have some sensitive information, so that's why I'm not doing that. But just hover over your profile up in the top right corner, and there will be a drop down. You should see somewhere in the drop down to become an instructor or sign up to become an instructor or something along those lines. You can go ahead and click on that. It'll ask for name, email, phone number, all that good stuff, right? And maybe some other information. Just give them the information they need. Once that is finished, then you should be eligible to become an instructor on Udemy. Right? And the reason I'm telling you to do this is you may think, oh, well, I don't want to become an instructor. Well, you never have to use your instructor account. But what this is going to do is give you a unique set of tools that are honestly, it's insane that we have this data. This is very rare for a platform to do this, which I'm going to cover right now. So once you create an instructor account, what you'll do, you want to sign in to that instructor account because you have the student account and you'll have an instructor account. They're separate, okay? So you just go hover over your profile, go down, click on instructor settings or instructor dashboard, something like that. Click on that. You'll get to a screen that looks something like this. You're gonna hover over, scroll down to tools, click on tools, and then you'll finally get to this page right here. Okay, and the tool that you want to use is this right here called Marketplace Insights. So go ahead and click on Marketplace Insights, and you'll get to a page that looks like this. Okay, type in any topic here. Again, it has to be on Udemy. So unfortunately, there's not every single topic known to mankind is available here, but there's a ton of topics. So all you have to do is pick a topic that you're interested in knowing the true monthly Udemy revenue for that topic for the top selling courses. Go ahead and type that in here, which I've already done, and you'll be able to see the revenue. Okay, and you'll also be able to see some other data, which I'll just quickly point out. So I typed in piano. For English, right? And there's actually a variety of other topics here as well. So you can actually, if you already speak one of these languages, that could be a potential opportunity for you. Just think about that for the future, but we're just gonna leave English as the default. It shows you kind of the student demand, level of competition. It shows you the median monthly revenue and the top monthly revenue, okay? So these are accurate numbers directly from Udemy themselves, which is crazy. So I'm not making these up. And again, you can validate and see this for yourself. And this is just crazy. And two things I want to point out. Number one, you may see, oh, median monthly revenue. Most people don't really make any money. They're only making $25 a month. That's true of any topic anywhere. Even if the top monthly revenue is like $100, you'll still see the median is like $10 or $30 or something along those lines. Because, I majored in this in college, took a lot of statistics classes, things like that. But the median and the average overall for anything else is always, when it comes to money, is generally going to be lower, right, than the top 1%, right? So the top monthly revenue over here on the right hand side, this is for the top 5 courses for that particular topic, okay? And you can actually scroll down and see, and there's some other data here about keywords and stuff like that, but again, we're gonna focus on Udemy revenue. You can look at this if you want. You can see where the traffic is coming from. You can see there's conversion rate somewhere. I think I might have skipped over it. There it is, conversion rate, okay? And all that other good stuff, right? But really, I wanna scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you can actually see the top selling courses, okay, here for the topic of piano. And you can use that to kind of analyze or see for yourself, right? How good these courses are, how long they are. And I think you'll be really surprised by how much some of these courses actually make, okay? So this is how you can find it for yourself. I'm actually going to show you my own revenue, but first I just want to kind of share with you, right? You may think, most people don't make any money on Udemy, so therefore it's not even worth trying or worth even thinking about or investing in. And I would definitely reconsider. These numbers are absolutely high. They're absolutely way high above average. These are some of the top courses, the top Udemy revenue. However, there is still huge, I can't even stress how much opportunity there is. That's why I believe, honestly, launching courses on Udemy is one of the best kept secrets of generating like true passive income, or at least semi-passive income online. And I'll just show you for myself, my own results, and just kind of quickly touch on that. So about 7 months ago, I had no idea how to launch courses on Udemy, on Skillshare. I had never taught a course before online or anywhere, period. I never taught in college. I gave presentations, but I never actually taught. So I was completely new to this 7 months ago. 6 months ago, in the middle of August of 2019, I launched my first course on Udemy. And since then, I've generated $13,705 in revenue from Udemy. And remember, I told you before, let's just go to a random example, that this number here, the top monthly revenue reported by this tool, this revenue, you have to cut that in about half because Udemy takes 50% and then you get kind of 50% as an instructor. So when you're looking at this revenue, if you want to know the profit, you need to divide by half. However, that's different. With this revenue number here, my profit personally is 99%, right around 99%. So it's almost exactly the same. Because this number reported here for me, not looking at my competitors or other courses, but looking at my own numbers, this is the actual deposit that I get. This is actually the money that I have deposited into my bank account from Udemy. And then the reason it's not 100% is because I do spend a little bit of money on Google ads, Pinterest ads, and influencer partnerships and things like that, but it's very, very low, like $100 or $200 or something like that. Very, very low, which you definitely don't have to do with Udemy. So again, right around 6 months, generated $13,705, knowing nothing about launching courses online or online teaching, anything like that. You can kind of see, kind of the breakdown here of where my traffic is coming from, which I cover a little bit more detail in another video. I'll have a link to that in the description below. And then right here, you can kind of see, again, launched in August, and then all the way up to today, this is the third day in February, something like that. I don't even know, but yeah. So just kind of my revenue or my profit over time. So pretty incredible. And I also mentioned that I also sell on Skillshare, right? So Udemy alone is pretty incredible. It's like, I want to say 2,000 to 2,500 a month on average per month that I've generated in profit, right? So this is a pretty substantial, side income amount. I spend about, a few hours a month creating new content, responding to student inquiries, maybe an hour a week or something like that. Very, very low for the amount of, it was a lot of work up front, but now to maintain and to grow, it's very, very minimal effort. And another little hack that I kind of want to share with you as sort of a bonus is what I've done is, so I created and listed these courses on Udemy. I've had some pretty great success. Again, from knowing nothing, I'm very, very, very happy with the results. And what I've done or decided to do is so I did all this work and created all these courses on Udemy. What's another kind of top selling platform for courses online? And that would be Skillshare. So this is my Skillshare account. I basically took my courses from Udemy that I already created. I took them and I just uploaded them to Skillshare. I had to kind of change some things around. It wasn't like I literally copy and pasted, but essentially it took me very, very little effort after I've already created all this content, created the courses on Skillshare. And with Skillshare, it's a little bit different to where with Udemy, you get paid per course sale. With Skillshare, you get paid per minute watched. Okay, so you get royalties per minute watched. And again, I started on Skillshare a little bit later. Let's see, we scroll down, like right around the end of September. So now it's like February. So it's been about, 4 or 5 months, something like that, that I've been on Skillshare. And in that period, generated generated exactly $4,615 in royalties. You can kind of see some of my stats. These are the minutes watched. I get paid about 6 to 7 cents per minute watched. So you can kind of see, you can take the total. You can look scrolling through here. But yeah, really incredible. I mean, again, took my courses, essentially copy and pasted them from Udemy to Skillshare, and then combined, I generate between $3,000 to $3,500 per month in profit. Again, working right around maybe 1 hour a week, 4 hours a month. Very, very, very low effort with very high return. Again, not purely passive, but it's incredible, right? So I hope this kind of gives you a better perspective on, number one, the potential of how high you can get of what. I mean, it's just incredible with some of the top selling courses, even in piano, right? You could be a piano instructor, personally, or you could take your piano knowledge and upload it, create a course on Udemy, and could potentially make significantly more, right? But you can see kind of on one end, the huge potential there is of Udemy revenue, selling courses on Udemy, as well as more realistic for me, 7 months ago, not knowing a thing about selling courses, knew a little bit about online marketing, knew nothing about selling courses on Udemy, on Skillshare, never taught anything like that, to where I am now generating $3,000 to $3,500 a month in profit. And there's a lot more courses coming soon. I have a lot more knowledge that I'm so excited to share very inexpensively with the world. So yeah, I hope this kind of broaden your perspective. If you're interested, I am actually ironically, I'm creating a Udemy course about how to create and market and ultimately generate the maximum amount of profit humanly possible by selling courses on Udemy and Skillshare online. So I'm in the process of creating the course now. If you want early bird access, I have a link below. I believe it's the first, you have to check the landing page. First 25 are going to get completely 100% free access to my course. So you can go ahead and get a chance to win this course for 100% free. Even if you don't get it for free, it's going to be like literally $10 for you to buy or $20 to buy. Very inexpensive if you're interested. So if you want to join the waitlist and for a chance to win the course for free, link is going to be in the description. And regardless, I'm going to hopefully create some more content, free content here on YouTube and my other social platforms about just this incredible opportunity of selling information online. It's really incredible. It's really awesome and very, very fulfilling as well. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you did like the video, be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And the subscribe button's obviously, that's great for me and the YouTube algorithm, but it's also going to be great for you to stay up to date with some more highly valuable and hopefully life-changing potentially content coming very, very soon. So as always, thanks so much for watching. If you have questions, let me know in the comment section, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.